Hi everyone, my name is Desiree, and I'm going to show you how to make Katy Perry. It might be hard, but...
And I'm Barbara, and I'm doing this with her.
But this might get hard and hard, but at least you got a little 11-year-old to help you.
And we're going to do this step by step. First, we're going to do the makeup and everything in hair, and then we're going to do the clothes. And we're getting ready to do the song
Firework. But you might...
Alright, come on, let's get started. You may be wondering why we're wearing the things on our head. It's because we just washed our hair.
And we do not want to get sick. Probably not. But
The materials we will be using are lipstick and Sharpies. And
no, not and. We got more stuff.
yeah, if we got more, we will also be using clothes, but that's for the second part. We also be using Barbie clothes and, of course, our Barbie.
Nail polish.
Oh yeah, and nail polish.
With pencils.
We have different, and we might be using some paint along the way, so just deal with us. And pencils. Okay, so let's just clear our station. And first we're going to be brushing her hair. And you also need a picture of Katy Perry if you really need it.
You also need comb and brushes so you can get the texture of Katy Perry by using the doll. It's okay for...
We might still use this doll, but we did some tests with this doll for dyeing because we were thinking about dyeing her tips. And it took a little process, but we'll make a different video about that, right? Right?
Right. And what I did is make a store.
Oh, well, she's doing her own thing. She's doing something totally different. Now, yeah, I just every now and then I keep brushing because I'm afraid her hair will get hard. For now, I think we might just use this doll for now. My hands are like all blue and gross and nasty. So yeah, sorry. We might just use this doll for what we're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna use this doll. She's gonna be the doll who's gonna do firework. So yeah, and now let's move on to the makeup.
Let's do it.